Hello everyone and welcome to this new video where we will explore together a flagship product from the Garmin brand, the new smartwatch, Garmin Fenix 8. Garmin is a globally recognized company for its innovations in GPS technology and navigation. Since its inception, Garmin has established itself as a leader in the sports and leisure equipment sector, offering its users solutions that combine performance, reliability, and durability. Today, we are going to focus on the Garmin Fenix 8, a watch that promises to accompany adventurers and athletes in all their activities. Don't forget that the link to discover this product is available in the video description. The Garmin Fenix 8 stands out with a design that is both elegant and robust, designed to withstand the most extreme conditions. With a titanium case, the watch offers an ideal combination of lightness and durability. The choice of titanium is not trivial, as this material is known for its resistance to corrosion and impact, all while remaining surprisingly light. The sapphire green finish adds a touch of sophistication while providing maximum scratch protection. Users have the choice between several colors, ranging from elegant carbon black to bolder shades like ocean blue or fiery red. With a case diameter of about 47 mm and a thickness of 14 mm, the Fenix 8 makes a strong presence on the wrist, without being too bulky. It weighs about 85 grams, making it comfortable to wear all day long, whether it's for an intense workout session or an outdoor excursion. Now let's move on to the main features of the Garmin Fenix 8, which make it an essential tool for sports and adventure enthusiasts. The watch features a 1.3-inch dial screen, offering exceptional resolution that ensures perfect readability, even in direct sunlight. This display technology allows you to enjoy vibrant colors and precise details, essential for quickly checking data during activity. The Fenix 8 is also equipped with an ultra-precise GPS compatible with multiple GNSS systems, ensuring optimal tracking of routes, even in the most challenging environments. In terms of functionality, the watch offers fitness tracking with an integrated heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, and advanced analysis of breathing and stress. It is also suitable for diving, resistant to depths of up to 40 meters, and includes a flashlight, LED, convenient for nighttime activities or in dark environments. The battery life is also a strong point, allowing up to 21 days of use in smartwatch mode and up to 15 hours with GPS activated. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity ensure easy synchronization with smartphones to receive notifications and alerts directly on your wrist. Regarding the practical use of the Fenix 8, it proves to be a top choice for those who live life to the fullest. Whether you are a long-distance runner, a swimmer, or a hiker, this watch offers dedicated sports apps that will help you track your performance and improve your results. For example, runners benefit from detailed tracking of cadence, stride length, and running dynamics. For swimmers, the watch records the number of laps, the type of stroke, and even the S-Wolf score to optimize the efficiency of each session. Hikers will appreciate the integrated topographic maps and the back-to-start function, which makes it easy to find your way back if needed. The watch also proves to be very practical for cyclists, with advanced performance metrics and the ability to connect to external sensors for even more in-depth analysis. Additionally, thanks to its compatibility with streaming music apps, you can enjoy your favorite playlists without having to bring your phone, making workouts even more enjoyable. Compared to other smartwatches available on the market, the Garmin Fenix 8 stands out for its versatility and robustness. While some watches focus primarily on one activity or a group of activities, the Fenix 8 offers a solution, an all-in-one that caters to a wide range of sports needs and leisure activities. Although competing models may offer similar features, few manage to match the GPS accuracy of the Fenix 8 or the breadth of its fitness analysis capabilities. For those looking for a watch capable of tracking both their sports performance and overall well-being, the Fenix 8 stands out as a wise choice. In conclusion, the Garmin Fenix 8 represents a significant advancement in the field of multi-sport smartwatches, combining cutting-edge technology and sleek design to meet the expectations of the most demanding users. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or an outdoor enthusiast, this sort of watch accompanies you on all your adventures. To learn more about the Garmin Fenix 8, don't forget to check the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like it, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.